into the world of Fashionista. Today I'm going to show you some of the latest designs by Monticelli, the look and styles of 2011 following 2012. Have a look at the creativity by makeup artist Debbie, showing you styles for the season. Designer clothing helps us to express ourselves and demonstrate status. You may also hide some of your features and your personality, creating other image with new makeup, hairstyles, clothes, etc. Most women need to change their look from time to time, while men are more conservative. Have a look.
Girl, my body don't lie. My mind, let it rain over me. Miss Worldwide, I'm rising so high, out of my mind. So let it rain over me. Let it rain over me.
Here we've just twisted it at the side, given a little twist, so it's giving her a little bit of a more adult look actually. A little bit more of a more sophisticated look. Normally we don't really name these hairs anything. Normally I keep looking at the face and then trying to say, okay, this hair looks nice and that hair looks nice. I don't really aim at anything when I start work actually. Yeah, that's more it. I normally go in for the very natural twists, the natural looking, at the same time elegant. That's Valencia. I've given her a very casual twist at the side, with a little bang coming out, which is very natural because she's got beautiful natural long hair. Normally it's always up, so I said this time it's going to be down. Her makeup is quite, I've accentuated on her eyes a wee bit, but I only use Mary Kay makeup, and that's all. I'd say it's a very easy look to do actually, very easy every day. I mean, when you're going into a casual outfit, maybe a cocktail or something, this is a look which we could carry quite easily. And this is my exotic, Here it was another, I don't know, I sort of, when she walked in, I sort of just wanted to do something more of a paradise, the flower of paradise, which I was thinking of, that exotic flower, and that's what the image I got when she walked in. So that's what I was trying to work on, putting this like the exotic flower. I normally work with flower images, with themes like that in my mind, and that's how I have done Rohini today. Hi. So this is my wild look. This is absolutely, she's got absolutely stunning. This was no way was I going to put this hair up. It was just the bedroom look, we call it. And I call it the bedroom look. And that's all I was really searching for her, because she's absolutely, this is all her natural hair. And I was just accentuating on that. A very, very wild, sexy look, I think. When Dawn came in today, actually, all I could imagine, I wanted something to be very Victorian actually. That's why I've done the hair, but I've put a little bit of a twist. There are twists in between as well as plaits, and this is all naturally just twisted to fall in spirals. And I don't know, I just wanted something to be very, very Victorian. The same, when he had this very flattish look here and then just spirals down. And her makeup, I just, wanted to be really nude. Just that class, absolutely Victorian look for her.
This is the Corsair collection which I'm doing, working for the festive season 2011-2012, and these are the looks I've usually thought out, and I wanted to find some stylist who would actually be able to deliver the looks that go with my corsets. And of course Debbie was there, and she has decided the looks for the corsets for the next season. So this will be the look which I will be keeping for the next 2011-2012 season.
I actually love the styling. The corsets have always been one of my favorite, and we've always been waiting for it to come onto the market, so hopefully we get some from Monty soon, and we look forward to seeing more of them. Right now, as you can see, there are only 4 on display, but definitely further on in the year and next year we'll see a lot more. And wearing Monty's corsets are a really good fit. As you can see, they fit really well and they're really comfortable. This is the moment we have come together to present Monty Sir's collection over here, as well as to see the new makeup artist Debbie. And this is the first time I've come across this makeup artist, and she's really very nice. She makes you feel comfortable and she takes care of what you want and what type of look you prefer. So I have enjoyed my movie today.
I have been given the bird of paradise look and I love this look.
This is the first time I'm doing this. I love this experience, and the corset is lovely. As you can see it fits perfectly well, and I think everyone will love it too.
Style tip? Style tip for the latest season that can keep you going is simple. Just opt a style that you and other people may have or perceive to be cool. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. In our beauty segment this time, I'm gonna show you some beauty tips for men. Look how men can look handsome and dashing after facials. You, however, can make the most of your looks with a little help from your beauty technician. Here we show you the facial that is most suited to 5 different faces. Vrunda Naik tells us the advantages of a facial for men.
We are going to see facials for men. It's very important, people ask what is the age that we should start facials, or does it harm, or people have a lot of questions like, they say once if you do a facial, is it compulsory that you have to do it every month and all? It's nothing like that, okay. Facial means when you do a facial, first of all the dead skin gets off, a lot of blood circulation, and you get a nice glow. Of course, it's very, very important to first check the client's skin. The skin, the age of the person is very important, because first you have to see whether the client has a oily skin, or it's a dry skin, or it's a very mature skin. And then you have to decide what product you are going to use. You have to see what range will suit the client also, and then deciding all this, then afterwards you have to see what you are going to do. Today our client, his skin is oily and he is in the 20s, you can say. So it means if somebody is in the after 40 range and all, that is mature skin. For that person you need very good quality, high quality creams which have lots of vitamins and all. Okay, but if it's a oily skin and all, you should always see that the cream is not very rich. Only it should be nice and it should clean the skin. So today we are going to use a oily product. This is a very beautiful product, and we'll start the facial now. So now our client is ready. Okay, he is relaxing. We have tied his hair so that it does not come in between. We have nicely covered him up so that he is not very cold while doing the facial. And now the first step will be cleansing. This is a very nice light emulsion, a cleansing gel. When it is oily skin and all, it's always good to use. Now our client is ready. First thing, now we are doing cleansing. It's always important to cleanse the skin thoroughly, and then only we'll proceed. So as the skin is oily, we are using a very light gel based product. He's going to take a little water and thoroughly massage the skin for 3 to 4 minutes. We should concentrate on the chin, cheeks, nose. When it's oily skin, mostly clients have problem near the nose, lot of blackheads and all. But if you nicely do it, a light massage is needed, not very hard, just a light massage, and the client should feel nice and relaxed. Now he is cleaning the face wash with a wet sponge. It's a wet cotton. It's always better to use cotton, because it is hygienic and it's just disposed of. All these small things you should keep in mind considering the hygiene of the client. With the help of a tissue, he is absorbing the extra moisture. Now second will be the detan mask. Men have more of outdoor activities. They travel on bikes, they have to go outside, and all the time they are in the sun. So they get a lot of tan on their skin. So this is the detan mask which has to be applied very lightly on the skin. Okay, after applying it on the entire face, now we are going to leave it for 5 to 6 minutes.